Welcome to the Backyard Smoke Show with Outdoor Home. I'm Kenny, and today we're doing roasted Thanksgiving Day turkey on the Big Green Egg. £11-pound turkey here. This is a little bit smaller size than I normally do. If you got a big family, you've got maybe an 18 or 20-pound bird, we're going to show you a trick to make sure that that fits in the Big Green Egg as well. So we'll get started here on the seasoning. I'm just going to take the Mad Max seasoning and get some in the cavity. We've got our seasoning in there. And this recipe calls for stuffing the cavity with, we've got 2 oranges, 2 apples, 2 lemons, and some onion, a yellow onion. So you just want to start working this up inside the cavity. And we're just going to dress this up a little bit. I've got some celery and some fresh rosemary, sage, and thyme. The bird's been sitting out on the counter for an hour or so while we were getting ready total time. So what we're going to do now is take a 1-gallon bag of ice, and you want to just put some ice in there and place this nice and evenly right over the breast meat. And what that's going to do is cool down the breast meat a little bit faster and give it a head start, so that's going to have about a 20-degree difference. And when we get done at the end, our dark meat's going to be done at the same time as the white meat. Yesterday when we were prepping the bird, we went ahead and made our butter paste, which is 2 sticks of softened butter and then rosemary, thyme, and sage. So we're going to take this and we want to just start rubbing it on the outside. I'm going to actually use a wireless thermometer, so I'm just going to find a center spot right in the breast meat and put that in. Okay, so now we're ready to put the turkey on the Big Green Egg. Today for our setup, this recipe calls, it's a roasted recipe that's going to cook at 325 degrees, 20 minutes a pound, so we're looking at about 3.5 to 4 hours on this one. So on my setup, this is where we wanted to show you a trick based on what you're going to have for the bird. I've got my convector in there to create indirect heat. Little trick here, we're going to get rid of the actual grate. And then if you look down inside here, you can see I've got 3 feet that I actually positioned ahead of time. You want to make sure that you kind of do this homework ahead of time. Make sure your bird's going to fit before the day of on Thanksgiving. I did my homework ahead of time, so if I was accurate, this should fit right inside the egg. This is where if you have a bigger turkey, this is going to help you out. So just like that, it's right inside sitting on those feet. We're going to make sure our thermometer is clear here and leave this wire hanging out, and I'll show you why here in just a minute. One last step, very important step with this recipe. You can do Pinot, you can do Chardonnay. We chose a Chardonnay here. We're going to just start pouring this wine. It takes the whole bottle. We're going to pour the wine over all of the skin. All right, now we're going to go ahead and close the lid to let that cook. I had that probe that we're going to plug into my wireless transmitter here. This is kind of nice. It will show me the inside temperature of the turkey inside that breast meat, and then it's also going to show me the inside temperature of the Big Green Egg. So I'm just going to drop this here, so it's kind of resting inside the egg. And then I've got this one that we can take inside. If you want to go inside and watch football, then you can actually just watch that. Those temperatures are going to show me both what's inside, going on inside the Big Green Egg, as well as the turkey. All right, we're going to check on our turkey. We're showing 99 degrees internal, so it's coming along nicely. It's been about an hour and a half. We're going to go ahead and give it another baste. And what you'll notice here as you cook and continue to baste, the liquid here in the bottom gets darker and darker, which then adds more and more color to the outside of the turkey. So let's take a peek here. Yes, finished product there. So we're going to go ahead and remove this. And here we go, our finished turkey. Can't wait to carve into this and start eating. If you'd like to try this at home, you can get the recipe at ky3.com. Stop by Outdoor Home in Nixa for all your Thanksgiving Day essentials.